I hope that you're all doing okay. I filmed this video a couple of weeks ago and I'm finally getting around to finishing up editing it. Life has just been kind of crazy lately and a bit sad if you ask me. I recently lost my aunt and my uncle within the same week. But you know, just keeping going, and I don't want to make anyone sad, and I'm coming to terms with it. So I just thought that I would try and cheer myself up and work on this video. And basically I'm just talking here because I wanted to give you a little overview of what I'm painting. And I'm painting this owl, and I sort of got the idea from my dad's photo on Discord. I actually play with him and my brother like every night or every other night. We try to get on a lot and we play some games and talk on Discord. So my dad actually changed his photo to this Spartan. Well, it's King Leonidas on the movie 300. And so I saw this photo and I just really got inspired to paint a little animal wearing, the little Spartan helmets and holding the spear. And then there's rain, because I think I remember in the movie there was a lot of rain during the battle scene. So I really enjoyed painting this fierce little owl, and I'm happy with how he turned out. And that's just kind of the inspiration behind it. But yeah, I promise you guys I'm okay, and I'm gonna get back on track with my videos, and I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this process. And I keep saying and, but I don't know what to say. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy the rest of this video, and I will talk to you later.